Hey guys, welcome back. So just want to update you on all my sea monkey tanks. I have some good and some bad news. It looks like all our Ocean-Volcano sea monkeys are gone. I have not seen any in a couple days. My heater did break for a day, and when I came back, it seemed like they all withered away. It must have gotten pretty cold. On the other hand, our sea monkeys on Mars are doing great. I see a bunch of adults. I also see babies, and it looks like they're reproducing and just having a good old time. And our sea monkeys Magiquarium, I don't see any adults. I still only see babies, and I think they're not making it to adulthood. I think they're hatching, hanging out for a couple days, and then either staying small or they're just not growing and they're possibly dying. So let's take a closer look. Here's our Ocean-Volcano sea monkeys. As you can see, there's no life in there. I'm not going to dump the tank out yet. Maybe if my house warms up a little bit, we'll start to see them hatch again. And here's our Magiquarium sea monkeys. It looks like there's only a few babies on the bottom and some on the top, but no adults. And here's our sea monkeys on Mars. These guys are doing the best. I don't know if it's the shape of the aquarium, but there's a lot of adults and a lot of babies in there as well.